Carnival on, go.
Ha?
Go.
Go na?
Hmm.
So, we're right now na traffic light after yung lunch namin sa Kunigami. We're going Hedo.
Cape Hedo, the northernmost tip of the island.
So we'll be in 22 minutes with reaching the northernmost part of Okinawa. Ito na, may tunnel dito. Ito yung mga old tunnels to. Relaxing yung driving na dito kasi from one end to the other end.
Rain peace, rain peace.
Ha? Uy, kaganda na po, no?
Dalawang focus siya eh.
Ha?
May droplets.
So tomorrow yung punta natin ng Miyagi.
Yep.
Miyagi ba? Tama? Pero ano mauna? After chatan natin?
Shatan is Shatan is like near Naha already.
Oh. Pero lunch ko natin is unless ipamove natin dinner.
Yeah, okay naman lunch.
Ha?
Let's go to Miyagi after. Let's we'll go to the Naha.
After chatan? Lunch? Lunch kasi natin chatan eh. Bagay, paano natin? Less than 30 minutes?